got a Western, huh? Here in the back. 2 times you gotta open it, huh?
No, do you want me to come in? Where?
Sure, you can get in the picture.
I'm gonna get my Patty.
Okay. Oh, look at the cute wrapping paper. Bears, panda bears. Somebody help her pull that. That's hard to do.
No.
Just the brown. All right, don't. Let her do it. Sorry. Thought you wanted help, Pat. The
Oh,
card.
that's my card. Are you open the present first? Are you open? I wonder what it is.
Becca gets the bow. That's nice, Pat.
Cause you have some chaos.
Yes, bows are for girls.
No Patty, boys wear them down in the shirt, girls wear them in their hair. I'm gonna wear it in my hair.
Okay.
I wonder what it is.
It's a talking bird.
Here comes.
Hello there. Now say something when you press this. Hello there.
Hello there.
We'll have to read the directions.
Hello there. Hello.
It's saying what you're saying. Hello.
Hello. Mandy just woke up.
Say something, Pat. Say your name.
Mandy woke up now.
Patty, say your name. Say your name.
Mandy woke up now.
Say your name.
Daddy.
Mama. Eddie. Patty. 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 You guys keep moving it. Patty. Becca.
Press it.
No, don't. No, don't. Press it. No, don't. Becca.
Hey, it's you.
Rachel.
It says Rachel.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I need a cracker. You know what? Say something.
Ha ha. Ha ha.
Oh, and a birthday card.
Ha ha hoo hoo. 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 Ha ha hoo hoo.
What'd you get? You got money from Aunt Debbie. $3 because how old is Patty gonna be? 3.
Yeah. What?
Patty, can you say thank you, Aunt Debbie?
Aunt Debbie.
Tell her.
I love Aunt Debbie. What did you find?
Birdie.